My friend says, does a hernia cause more acid reflux, and burping? I think actually whatever is causing the hernia is also causing the burping and allowing the acid reflux. Let me explain. So I think that the hiatal hernia is caused by a buildup of pressure inside the stomach, forcing your sphincter open, allowing the acid to come from the stomach up into the esophagus. And the burping is because your acid is suppressed or low from things like H. pylori or an overgrowth of yeast that suppress your acid levels, and then that creates more pressure and forces that sphincter open. So I think if you can get to the root cause of the burping and the hernia, then that will also fix your acid. If you don't know where to start, I think it's 3 main things causing your issue. Head to myacidrefluxquiz.com, fill out that short quiz. It will tell you what's most likely causing your problem.